Let's be real, we're all living in an AI-powered world. It picks our music, helps us write emails, and even tracks our health. But there's always been this unspoken deal, hasn't there? For our tech to get smarter, we've had to hand over our personal data. But what if that wasn't true? What if we could get all the smarts without giving up our privacy? Now, look at this. Train models without moving your data. It sounds so simple, but this one idea completely flips the script on how AI has always worked. It's a total game changer. But you gotta be asking, how is that even possible?
Okay, so to really get it, we've got to look at how things used to be done, the old way. For any AI to learn, it needed a massive, just a gigantic pile of data to study. And yeah, that meant our information, our private messages, our photos, you name it, all had to be copied from our phones and sent to some big central server.
And here, you can see that difference clear as day. On the left, you've got traditional AI. See how all our data flows from our devices into one big pot. That makes it a huge, juicy target for data breaches. But now, look at the right. Something totally different is going on. It's the AI model itself that's traveling, not our data. The learning is happening right on our devices. This new approach, this new way of learning is called federated learning. And honestly, it's such an elegant solution to that privacy problem we've all been worried about. It really does change the entire game. So, in plain English, what is it? Well, at its heart, it's a technique that lets an AI model learn from data that's scattered across millions of different devices, like all of our phones. But here is the most important part, the absolute key. Your raw data never, ever leaves your device. It stays put, safe and sound. Just let that sink in for a second. Instead of us sending our private lives out to some server in the cloud, the learning itself comes to us. It's like the AI sends a little student, the model, to our phone to learn privately, right there on our terms. That's a massive shift in how we think about this stuff. Okay, I know what you're thinking. That's a great idea, but how can an AI possibly learn from data it can't actually see? It sounds a little like magic, right? Well, it's not magic. It's just a really, really clever cycle. Let's break it down. So here's how it goes. It all starts with a central server sending out a generic, sort of starter AI model to millions of devices. Then, step 2 happens right there on your phone. The model trains on your local data. It learns from the way you type or your daily activity. Now here's the brilliant part. Your phone doesn't send that data back. No way. Instead, it just creates a small, encrypted summary of what the model learned. Think of it like a little anonymous note saying, here's how you can get better. These little updates get sent back to the server, which combines them from thousands of people to build one new, much smarter global model. And then, the whole cycle just starts over again. And the coolest part? This isn't just a theory or some experiment stuck in a lab. This tech is already out there, quietly working in the background to make the stuff we use every single day a whole lot better. You know how your phone's keyboard just gets scarily good at predicting the next word you're going to type? Yep, that's often federated learning. It's learning from your style without ever reading your private conversations. Or what about your smartwatch or fitness tracker? It can find trends in your health data without sending that super sensitive information anywhere. It all stays with you. And that, right there, is the big win for all of us. We get all the amazing personalized features that feel like magic, but we get them with the peace of mind that our personal data stays personal. It really is the best of both worlds. Now, as amazing as this all sounds, it's not a silver bullet. It's not a perfect fix for everything. Trying to build this kind of smart, decentralized system on a global scale, well, it comes with its own unique set of challenges. The benefit is crystal clear. It's incredibly private. But the challenges are real too. For one, just coordinating this whole dance across millions of devices is technically really complex. And then you have this thing called data heterogeneity, which is just a fancy way of saying that everybody's data is different and messy. My data doesn't look like your data. The AI has to learn from all that variety. And that is not an easy job. So this all leads us to a pretty massive question we have to think about for the future. As AI gets woven deeper and deeper into everything we do, is this fundamental idea of keeping our data local and bringing the AI to it, is that our single best defense for protecting our privacy? It's definitely something to think about.